since I'm doing short videos, I just realized that I have a great tip for you. Sometimes we do have to leave somewhere, you know. In this case, because it's a club and it's a very nice, safe bike park, I leave my Brompton here. Usually I never leave anywhere, but even though I do put a lock. This lock is so cool. Actually, it's a motorcycle lock. This is how it works. See? It's this little hole here on the triangle. It's perfect to put the lock in. I'm sorry, I have only one hand. Hope I can make it. Yes. See? It gets very secure. And this here is just, you know, don't work that much, but this way you get your Brompton almost safe. We are never 100% safe, but at least this way it will be harder to take it out. Okay, it's a quick short tip. I hope you did like it. I really like this kind of lock. It's easy to use and fast and secure. I'll put the link down the video. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up and be part of it. Bye bye.